Hi, I'm Kay. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make this flocked rose arrangement. So let's get started. So the supplies I'll be using today is this nice glass vase that I picked up at the thrift store. And then we'll be using, don't want to break that, I have two flocked picks, large picks that I picked up in the after Christmas sales. Then I have my flocked roses, which I picked up in the after Christmas sale, and I only was able to get 5 of them. And then I have some greenery that I'm going to use to fill the vase, and I have my floral foam to hold the flowers in place. So we're going to get started by cleaning this glass. I already washed it, but it left some water streaks, so I'm going to give it a quick wipe down with the glass cleaner, and then we'll be ready to go. So I have this floral foam, and I'm going to cut it down the middle because it's a little too wide for this vase. And so now that I have these two halves, the next thing I'm going to do is wrap them in this, I don't know if this is called moss or just called grass, but this floral grass, and that's what I'm going to use as filler in that vase to hide the foam. So now I'm just going to take some of this and stuff it around on the sides so that I can hide this foam completely. So you got to take your hands and kind of give it a good push down. Make sure it's all filled in around the sides. Next, I'm going to take that other half of the foam, cut it in half so that my top foam will be a little wider and I'll have plenty of places to stick my flowers. So I'm going to wrap that in some of that greenery so that I can get it all the way down. Again, using my hands to push it down around the sides. And if you enjoy these instructional videos, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up and sharing it with others and leaving me a comment. And if you're not a member of the family, think about subscribing today so you won't miss out on future videos. Just ring the bell and you'll be notified when new videos are released. So now I've got that pretty full. I've got my foam inside. I'm going to take my two picks and put them in. So this pick had a lot of glue strings I had to pull away. But you want to fluff it up a little bit. I actually ended up over fluffing this and I'll have to pull it back together a little bit. But that's easy to do. But you want to make sure it has some life. It's not just sitting there as one stuck piece. So I'm going to take this one and kind of put it on the other side. And what I've tried to do is have the taller pieces, as you can see, in the center, and then the other branches that are shorter falling down around the sides. So I'm going to get that in the foam real good so it won't be falling around. And part of floral arrangement is shaping, so I'll kind of be pulling them around and fluffing them as I go along. And I chose these flocked branches because of the flocked roses I'm using. So as I said, I only have 5, so I'm going to take one rose and put it in top center. And each one comes with an open rose and a closed bud. Oh, that didn't make it. What happened was the stem is not long enough to reach down into my foam, so you use these floral picks. And it's just a little piece of green stick with wire at the end. You lay it up against your flower, and you take that wire and wrap it around both the stick and the flower stem, and it holds it snugly, and now the stem is made longer by the stick. So now when I put it in here, it will reach down into the foam, and I can still keep the rose up high like I want it. So that's one of the tricks that florists use. So I'm taking the next rose and I'm fluffing it up a bit. You'll see me do that with each one. And since I only have 4 more remaining, I'm going to put one on each corner of the vase. So this is for the first corner. And then I'm fluffing this for the second corner. And my third one, going in this third corner in the back, well, the one closest to me, your back. And the last one, going in the fourth corner. So now I'm going to kind of turn it around and look for my empty spaces and see if I can move some of the branches around, some of the flowers around, and just kind of fill in those spots. Because as I said, when I was fluffing the branches, I kind of pulled them apart too much. So I'm going to have to actually push them back together to fill in some of those bare spots because I don't have any other flowers to add. And so here we have it, a quick little floral arrangement. I'm just going to kind of check it from all angles. So that quickly we have a beautiful flocked floral arrangement. Thank you for spending this time with me, and I'll talk with you again real soon.